Well, here we are. We've made it to Module 8. Let's take a look at what we have this week. The module overview, as you can see, there are 2 assignments. There's a discussion called Sage Advice and a portfolio reflection, INACOL Standards for Quality Online Teaching. And then, of course, in this process, you will be also creating your portfolio. Let me say right now that Module 8 has normal due dates for both the discussion and the reflection/portfolio assignment. But in addition to that, you'll be working on your portfolio, which is due a week after that. So in a sense, you have 2 weeks. First week, make sure you get everything in Module 8 done and start working on your portfolio. You have an additional week to complete your portfolio. As always, you'll want to take a look at what we have in the textbook, especially as it relates to being able to look at the INACOL Standards for Quality Online Teaching. Here are your due dates. Your discussion for Module 8 is Sage Advice. Basically, what advice would you give a student in coming into the next cohort? (8.2) INACOL Standards for Quality Online Teaching. In this particular assignment, you'll notice it is divided into 2 parts. First, you'll take a look at the INACOL Standards for Quality Online Teaching, and you will then use those standards and rate yourself from 0 to 4 on the INACOL Teaching Standards Rating Form. There's a link here. There are 2 different ways that you can create this form, and there's a video later on showing you how to do this as well. Part 2, you'll have a reflection with 3 questions. How have you changed as a learner and instructor through the process? What your action plan is for implementing changes, and how do you plan to continue your learning about online teaching? Here's the video tutorial that shows you how to create the 8.2 Google Doc with where you can rate those standards. And after each standard, remember that you need to write a short reflection on the standard. So as you get done with rating yourself with all the elements of standard A, you will write a short reflection about A. Before you move on to B, you'll do one for B, C, etc., all the way through. There's a video at the bottom, talks about how to copy the Google Sites template to create your LEC portfolio. But most of the information that you're going to want to know about your portfolio, as we scroll back up, can be found in this section right here, how to earn leading edge certification. On this page, it's all about your portfolio. Follow the directions that you find here at the top. Watch the helicopter video about creating your portfolio. In addition to that, here's that same video that you found in Module 8, how to copy the Google Sites template. And there's also a section for rubrics. And then right here in the View Projects is where you're going to submit the link to your portfolio so that your instructors can review your portfolio. In addition to that, you'll see that over here on the right are links to portfolio examples from students who have been in LEC and have been certified. In addition to that, back over here in Module 8, here are your student resources. For Module 8, the student resources are all listed on this page. And here's an item you might want to think about pulling up and even maybe printing out. It's a portfolio grading checklist to make sure that you don't miss any of the important steps in your portfolio creation process. Okay, that's it. Have a good week. As always, let us know how we can best support you.